Fancy a choc-bug cookie, ant and mealworm nachos, or even cricket-flavoured ice cream? They're not your typical lunchtime snacks, but these creepy, crawly treats are being dished out at this school to try to bust the idea that bugs taste bad.
People think that they don't taste that good and aren't that, they don't really want to try them that much, but they surprisingly don't taste that bad.
More than 2 billion people around the globe tuck into bugs as part of their normal diet. And these kids say it actually kind of makes sense.
Instead of spending so much time and money on growing livestock and stuff like that, how much space and money goes into it.
But the thought of a plate of worms still gives lots of people butterflies. So these kids are searching for the perfect recipe.
Making things that people enjoy, like ice cream, nachos, cookies, people are wanting to try those because they're already things that they know they like.
They've made these meals in their home ec class at school and are now holding taste tests to see what works.
Now that I've tried it, it's actually quite yummy, so I can introduce it to my family.
So the next time you find yourself with an insect-related snack, don't get ants in your pants, try a choc-bug cookie instead.